Hi friends, Rishi Jagmohan Singh back with Dynobite for this series, and today I'm going to discuss with you the 5 kick-ass strategies that digital salespeople use. And you know that top digital salespeople, they are the change agents, and they recommend, they advise, they assist, they influence their customers in order to take the right meaningful decisions. They inspire new ideas and also they question status quo, my dear friend. So what are the top 5 great strategies which these top salespeople use? Number 1 strategy, my dear friend, they use is, I call it the prioritization. So for example, they say do this, not that. For example, you know, I was in a restaurant with my family, and we were called for a, you know, assisting from the waiter, and we asked him what is good over here. He, rather than telling us what is good over here, he asked us what kind of food you like to eat. You like to eat Chinese, like Indian, or something different, continental. And then we told them that we like to have something like Chinese. Then of course he brought the chef from inside, and as a result he suggested something. So he helped us take right kind of strategies and decisions, which was, we were very happy, and it led to a good customer experience. So number 1 is the priorities. Number 2, my dear friend, is approaches. This way, not that way. You see, because of COVID, lot of you know, industries have been affected. One of the industry is, you know, the auto industry and the real estate industry. So how they have, you know, changed their approach. One of my friend, he is into real estate, and since people were not able to go to the venue and see themselves, what he has done is he's created a VR operation, and we can go and have a look at the virtual reality sitting at home only, and we could take a tour what kind of facilities, functionalities they have over there. So it was a right approach. We could take a decision, I mean, he could take a decision sitting at home about what kind of facilities are there and where he want to take a decision. Before finalizing, he could visit that particular place, and for tour he was able to go over there. Number 3 is the ROI. This is when the salespeople say, if you take this decision, because of this you will get return like this. To give you an example over here, one of my friend who was into medical devices company, and this salesperson, you know, he went to, I still remember, this was in Gurgaon, and he went to a lab owner and he said that if you buy this particular instrument, the cost per test is this much, and you will be able to get your return within 2 months. And after that you can buy another machine, another machine, another machine, and after that you can open a series of labs. So ROI is a very big hook for the salespeople, for genuine salespeople, digital salespeople, to, you know, use it. Number 4 is taking decisions, you know, right now, not later. For example, you know, I remember we were in Marks and Spencer, and my wife was shopping over there, and after shopping, while we were making the bill, she got a message in her mobile that for this particular shopping, if you do little more shopping, you were getting 750 rupees off. So what was it? It was Act Now. It helped us, the system helped us, the digital system helped us to take decision right away. So this is another one. And number 5, my dear friend, the strategy which is being used by top digital salespeople is the partners. You see, this is a very important value proposition. And those companies like Apple, like Amazon, Google, when they act as a partner, they go a long way. I give you one example. My personal example is from Chroma. You know, I bought my first BlackBerry from Chroma. I bought my iPad from Chroma. I bought from my iPhone from Chroma. My iPod from Chroma. So what happens is, why I do it? Because they keep me warm all the time. They keep me, you know, engaged all the time through digital sales means and through various communications which they keep on sending. So these are the 5 key strategies, the value propositions which digital salespeople use. If you really like it, do comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel, Jagmohan Rishi. Till then, live life, bale bale.